And Melissa, I think it's important to point out the TSX is up 26% on a year-to-date basis. The S&P 500 is up 17%. And remember, I talked about this briefly last week because I pointed out the performance of both markets. That our markets are composed very differently, right? The Canadian markets are very heavily weighted towards energy, materials. So think some of the golds, which has been on a tear, and financial firms. We have a much more narrow market in the United States. There's so many more retailers. It's obviously driven by tech. Uh, the amount of companies in the States versus here is just much broader and deeper. So, at times that's a big benefit, right? Over the past couple of years, it's been huge for the United States to have that kind of exposure. But when you've had when you've had some concerns about monetary policies, so what these central bankers around the world are going to do, it's really pushed people into gold. So gold's hit record highs. And then also with the demand of AI and the energy usage that AI and the data centers, data banks require, that's been a positive as well for some of the for energy and that theme of energy, which you and I've talked about.